Welcome to Durlach is the largest, oldest, and one of the most beautiful neighborhoods of Karlsruhe. It's older than the city of Karlsruhe, so it's filled with historical and cultural sites, beautiful buildings, and lovely cafes and restaurants. So if you're around Karlsruhe and are not sure if Durlach should be included in your itinerary, keep watching because in this video, we will discover the interesting things to see in Durlach. If you're going to visit Karlsruhe in Germany, be sure to have significant amount of time to see its charming neighborhood of Durlach. It's located outside the city center. However, it could be easily reached by tram from the central part of Karlsruhe. Although it's located a bit outside the city center, it's so easy to get to Durlach neighborhood with public transport. You'll need only about 15 minutes by tram to get there from Karlsruhe city center. Thanks to its compact old town, you can easily stroll from one attraction to the next. You'll find fascinating towers, huge churches, and cobblestone streets that transports you to the past times. A combination of romantic cobble streets, timbered houses, and historical buildings makes this place a must-see in Karlsruhe. The old town also offers a variety of shops, boutiques, and weekly markets. You could easily spend the whole day in the Durlach neighborhood. The best way to explore the Durlach neighborhood is by just strolling around its old center, exploring the details on the streets, old timber houses, and stumbling on some of the historical sites. Karlsborg Castle, built during the 16th century, is located in its center and home to the small but interesting Finskau Museum dedicated to the history of Durlach. Basler Turm is the only preserved city gate in Durlach. With the fascinating ambience of an old medieval town and so many beautiful historical sites, the Durlach neighborhood is one of the must-see areas of Karlsruhe. Hopefully, this video will help you appreciate Durlach even more. And before I'm going to end this video, allow me to say that life is full of wonder. Even if we are in the point in life where we cannot appreciate things, it sometimes helps to remember that there are really things to enjoy when we are ready. So let us seize every moment as they come, with open hearts and arms outstretched to embrace the possibilities that lie before us. This is Jhongix channel. Until my next travel, tschüss!